Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro-Q videos. 164 tuned cars and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, I have this die cast in my collection. I am using them for my Choro-Q, although I have a what do you call this, self-loading track from Choro-Q guys. So in additional for my Choro-Q self-loading car carrier guys, I have this Hot Wheels. It's a die cast metal guys, and the use of this Hot Wheels guys is for my Choro-Q. Okay, these two guys have almost the same design guys, but the function is different guys. So starting from this red guys, you know Hot Wheels, it's kind of unique design. It's not the regular design of vehicle guys released in the factories. So this one guys is a unique. As you can see, it's out of this world guys, and it has a flat bed that incline, and guys it slides. So this one guys slides like this. So this is my Choro-Q guys. So it's a perfect fit. As you can see, the edge of the tires guys, both sides are exact. Then guys, slide up. That's it. So this is a 1/64 scale, and for me it's a perfect for Choro-Q guys. So I have 4 of these guys. I will video the 2 different kind later of car carrier guys. For the meantime, this is the Hot Wheels. Okay, Hot Wheels Backsliders, the name of this one guys. I bought it loose and it's made in Thailand. Okay, so another guys is this one, another Hot Wheels. It doesn't says the name of this vehicle guys, but at the bottom you can see the Hot Wheels and Mantel 19. It's 1986 guys. So 1986 is the release of this, and it's made in China, but it's a full die cast guys. The only plastic is this one guys. So anyway, it's a international truck, a late model international truck. I bought this guys a brand new, but my son opened the sealed, so I don't have any choice. Anyway guys, this one is it has a tilting flatbed at the rear. So if you have a, let's say, die cast, once you pull it up guys, the Hot Wheels will slide automatic guys. Sorry. I thought it will slide, guys. Anyway, that's it. So this one, guys, also good for ChoroQ display, like this one. Okay, so I'm looking for another design of this flatbed from Matchbox or Hot Wheels, guys, for use in my ChoroQs. Hope you like my videos and ideas on my ChoroQ flatbed car carrier. So again, guys, this is a Hot Wheels 1/64 scale self-carrying flatbed. Good for ChoroQ, guys. Okay, that's it. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Bye.